The Aprilaire 8463 thermostat that I have was blinking at night, indicating that the batteries needed to be changed. I changed the batteries and now the thermostat won't even turn on. It now has off in the display and the LCD backlight will not come on when I press any of the buttons and the reset button. I have tried 3 different sets of batteries to no avail. How can I turn this thermostat back on?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.